Hi there. In this video, I will show you how to set up Oracle Primavera P6 from start when you are starting the software. So it will include basic settings, user preferences, and tips for your first project setup. By the end, you will have Primavera ready to use professionally. So just follow my instructions as I will just open the Primavera software. I will write here the Primavera. So it will show up as P6 Professional. I will click on it to open it. I will write admin as it's my default password and click on connect. It's opening. We will remove this suggestion or error later in this setup video. So click on just OK. So this is the project I have recently created. So I will tell you the step-by-step process of setting. First of all, you will have to go to the edit tab and then come here on the user preferences. Click on it and here you can set the time and units. These are different settings. So first of all, you have to change these time units. Unit of time you will select here as days. Most of the works are calculated in days and change this decimals level to up to 2 as this is the example and it's showing all the things. Show unit labels. So check on this. It will show 5.06 days. So we will also check this as subunit hours. It will show as 5 days and 0.5 hours. So it means 5 days and a half an hour. Right here we will duration format. We will keep the as day and decimal up to 2 and show duration label and hours. This is also selected as this. And keep this as same and now go to the dates tab. In the dates you can select day, month and year. This is the most common used, so it's easier to understand. This is the sample. It's showing as we change these things. We can also mention the time right before this as 12 hours format or 24 hours format. So keep this as 12 hours and you can also show the minutes. And minutes are not important, so we just uncheck this. Right next, the setting is currency. Currency option like US dollar or any available currencies. You can also add your custom currency, but not here. In the next settings I will tell you. So below this you can also check these settings and can change if you want anything. You can also change the startup password. Default is admin, so you can change and set your own. Now we move to the next setting. Right here you can click on the admin and then click on admin preferences. Click on the general and right here you can select the starting day of a week. First day of a week you can change it to Monday. Then click on data limits. You can set these enterprise work breakdown structure WBS maximum levels as 20. These are default values. You can increase or decrease as per your project details. ID length, you can also increase these ID lengths to incorporate the maximum number of title in the activities tab. In the time periods, you can choose how many working hours per day. So by default it's 8, so we will keep it as 8 hours per week. So if you work 6 days a week, so it will make 40 hours per week. These are the hours per month. You can also change these if you want. Hours per year, these are 2000. You can also change the minutes. Minutes are denoted by n, hours as h, days by d, small d. You can also change this to capital D if you want, but I will keep this as by default. You can also change these settings. These are reports, header and footers. When you export the report, it will show the Oracle Primavera in the footer tab label. You can also write the company name here, and this is the important one, industry. So you must select the industry, so the when you start the program, it will not show the error as in my experience. So I will select engineering and construction. You can also select government, aerospace, defense, high technology, manufacturing, etc., utilities, oil and gas projects. I will select engineering and construction here. So these settings are completed. You can just close it, and it will auto saved. Now move on to the next settings. The next setting is in the view tab. When you click on the tab view, you can also check these as show on top. Top means this area. This is the top area and this is the bottom area. You can also change these settings like show on top as table. It will show only table. If you click on Gantt chart, it will show table along with its Gantt chart. So it's the best view as it's by default. You can also show these activity levels right over here, and also if you want to click on Gantt chart, it will show you the default setting. Show on bottom, you can also change these settings as bottom. On bottom, no bottom layout. If you want to remove this, you can also, and if you want to click on details, it will show the default as this details tab, so it's okay. And one more setting is in the enterprise. Yes, if you click on enterprise, you can click on calendars. This is the calendar. If you click on this, you can change the calendar settings. By default, it's this, and you can modify it, right? Now you can change the work hours per day, and also you can make this Sunday. Click on this work week. You can change Monday as 8, Tuesday 8, Wednesday 8. These are Sunday as 0. If you want to off the Saturday, you can just write 0 instead of 8 in Saturday tab and click on OK. So it will show Saturday, Sunday as a holiday, as a non-work day. If you want to change this 16 as a work day, you can select the 16 and click on work. So it will show as work days. You can keep this as standard, or if you can change this to non-work days, you can click on here. It will all again convert it to the holiday. So you can check here on. This is also we have earlier mentioned. You can also change this here. Click on OK, and this calendar settings is completed. So now I will tell you how to create a new project. Click on File and click on New, or you can just type on keyboard Ctrl+N. Click on Next. This is the new project we are starting. Click on Next. You can name the project as For example, P001, and you can keep the project as sample project and click on next. This is the planning start day. So when you want to start this project, as you can select any date here, 12 must finish by, you can keep this blank and click on next. And this should be the enterprise. So we are creating this project in enterprise. Rate type, you can keep this as same and click on next and click on finish. So this is the new project is created here. So if you want to add activities in it, you can just right click on it and then click on this add. This is the new activity called starting planning. So this is the first activity that is consisting on the 5 days. You can also change this days to 6 days. It will show the date here. So you can also add more activities like this. Adding these, if you click on this and then click add, it will add more and more activities right before him.